What's going on, and welcome to another Toaster Tuesday edition of Oil and Gears. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove the front bumper on your first gen scionxb. So get your 10mm socket ready and a flathead screwdriver, and I'll show you how to take off the front bumper and grill. That way you're able to change the water pump, alternator, radiator, and front headlights. Also, wanted to give an update on my front bumper. So I was able to paint the front bumper, and it didn't come out as I planned. It's not as dark as my Scion. I think what had happened was it wasn't enough blue, so it's a lighter color than what's on my car. So I'm actually just gonna have it professionally painted. All right, now that you have your tools ready, let's get to it. So just to recap what I just did, you have two screws up here, you have a clip right here, you have screws, two screws on each side on the corners and up top, then you have 8 screws along the bottom, and then 2 clips on each side. So these are the 2 clips that I'm talking about. Also make sure that you disconnect your fog lights if you have them. Also make sure that you put your screws in a bag to make sure you know where they go when you put your bumper back on. So that's basically how you take the front bumper off. It's fairly easy. This was my first time, so it wasn't that hard, but I wanted to make sure I created a video for others that want to take their front bumper off if they have to change their water pump or want to change their lights. It's fairly easy. So when you're removing the grill, you're going to have a clip here, and also the center right here. So once you're done with all that, then you're able to take the bumper off. All right, so have you ever been working on your car and you take something off and you're like, maybe I'm gonna add something else to my list? I think that's what we're gonna do here. So I was just gonna do the front bumper, but I'm gonna take off the rocker panels because I'm gonna clean up everything in the front. When I take the rear bumper off, I'm gonna clean everything in the back. And then the rocker panels, I've seen when you take those off, they're dirty as well. So let's do that now. All right, so I'm gonna really stress to you guys, make sure you clean your rocker panels. I'm just gonna show you what happens when you take your rocker panels off your car and they've been on there for 15 plus years. This is why you should clean your rocker panels. So on the ends, there's 10mm screws here on each side. Then you have these little clips. So all you do is just pull down on it, and there's some, I don't know what you would call these clips as well. They come off, they're fairly easy, but inside my rocker panel was all this dirt. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? Look at all that dirt. Yeah, clumped up in my rocker panels. And down at the bottom, it's really dirty as well. So take your rocker panels off on a weekend, clean it out. I mean, it's really, really bad. This could cause rust. So just take your rocker panels off, clean them. That's my PSA. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Oil and Gears. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you on the flip side. Peace!